Count how many. Think you went to five?
So, unexpectedly, because I wasn't expecting it, even though I do go and check the P.O. box just to see if there's anything there. I mean, I figure I'm usually in town once a week or so, and checking doesn't take any time. I went and checked the P.O. box, and I had 2 packages. So I'm really excited. These are packages from Steve, all the way over in England. This is not the first time Steve has sent me things. He sent me those beautiful Anne McCaffrey books that are signed, and he sent the absolutely gorgeous set of the Immortals that I also really appreciate, and he sent me the Bellegarde saga by David Eddings, which I'm still reading. So I I cannot say enough thank yous to Steve. Totally not something that is required or expected, but I'm going to be extremely grateful. If you were watching in the, or maybe it'll be up, I don't know when, time is wibbly wobbly. Anyway, I'm going to be putting up a shelf over here, maybe 2, that I'm going to start putting these special books that got shipped to me up on, just so that they can be on display, because most of them are so gorgeous. I have not opened these boxes yet, but as you can see, they're pretty good sized. I got that one and this big one. I did open them enough so that I could actually not fumble around like an idiot trying to open boxes, but I haven't looked inside yet. So we're gonna start with this big one because I'm just excited. I feel like a kid at Christmas. I really, oh, how nice. We have Partnership, which is such a good book. If you missed it, I have read it before. I've never seen this cover on it. It is gorgeous. Possibly a first printing, because I'm not seeing any massive dates. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this box is filled with books. Let me just look at this. This is so many books. Oh my gosh. All right, we have The Ship Who Won, which is a wonderful book, which again we have read, which I think is so cool. Also the fact that it was from a library, because it's got a library stamp in it. That's so cool. Okay, this is very cool. I love books. Books are the best things ever. What else is in this box? Oh my goodness. The Ship Who Searched. Love. I love seeing all of the different covers, especially because these came from England, so they're going to have different covers than the ones that I get to see from the United States. Oh, The City Who Fought. So I have an entirely new collection of the Brain Ship books. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. All right, what else do we have in here? Up, The Ship Who Won. So we have, okay, this is so neat, because if you look at it, it's the same cover, which must be the cover in England. Oh, that is so cool. Books, books, books. Books are the best things ever. And then, oh, another David Eddings book. The Malorian. Oh, wait. I see a bunch of David Eddings in here. So I'm guessing that is the Bellegarde. Oh no, the Malorian. All right, this is all the Malorian. So we've got the Demon Lord of Karanda, the Sorceress of Darshiva. This is the Guardians of the West. Oh, that sounds so cool. The Seeress of Kel, and another Sorceress of Darshiva. So I love the covers on these. They are absolutely stunning. You know, that's one thing that I always hated about. I have all of the Robert Jordan books, and I have them all with the old covers, and they're they're not good. I think that's something that is universally agreed upon, that the covers of those books are just, they're still better than I could do. I cannot draw people to save my life, but those covers are, they're sad. When even I can critique them and I know that I can't draw humans, it makes me sad. But these are beautiful. Okay, box number 2. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look at all of these books. Okay, this is so many books. This is, okay, let me just, we have books and books and books and books. Oh, The Ship Who Sang. Oh my gosh. I love these. These are, and again, I'm pretty sure that these are first editions, which is just amazing. Well, we've got The Girl Who Heard Dragons, which is short stories. I love the covers too. And Dragon Quest. Oh, and the Acorna books, which I have a couple of them. I remember I really liked the first one. I don't know if I read too many of the others, but we have Acorna, Acorna's Rebels, and Acorna's People. And Acorna is like the unicorn girl because she has a little spike that comes out of her head. Oh, and we have another Acorna book and another. So, Acorna's Search and Acorna's World. I am not holding these up well at all. And then Norilka's Story and the Colura, which I have the Colura in hardcover over there, but I don't have this one. I didn't realize that they had put them together. So neat. The Colura is an interesting one because the Colura is like basically living clothing, which is very cool. And then we have The Ship Who Searched, Morita, and Dragon Drums. Oh, I love the cover of this Dragon Drums. So, these covers are so beautiful. And Morita. Alright, this is a lot. This is so much. Thank you so much, Steve. And look for, I need to find a good piece of wood and get it painted, and then I am definitely going to put these books up behind us. Oh, except now I think I need to put them all facing just so that we can see these absolutely stunning covers. I love the covers. I love the covers. I love the books. Thank you so much. I am so grateful. Like, don't ever let the fact that I don't squeal or cry show you that I'm not grateful, because I am. This is so much. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to spend some time just staring at these. They are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Also, it's really interesting the different publishers that they have. Like, this is Corgi edition, and then I think mine were, her US publisher was Ace and Del Rey. So that's interesting. Publishing is a weird thing. Anyway, Steve, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Like from the very bottom of my heart, which is way down at the floor. Thank you. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm going to go see if I can find a shelf so I can put it up so that we can all see these gorgeous books. So thank you. And I'll probably put some birds in at the end of this just because birds. So I'll see you later.